Hi, my name's Will Blake. My wife and I own Vesta Foundation Solutions. And I'm sending you this message because recently you have scheduled an estimate with our company or an installation. With all of the wild news that we're hearing about with our nation today, I just want to send a message to you to let you know that we've made preparation. We are going through daily activities of sanitizing as well as educating our team on how we can best protect you and ourselves. We just want to let you know that we too believe that this shall pass. But we know foundation problems, crawl space and concrete problems, they don't go away over time. So we are here to help, but we're also flexible. We want to work with you in this wild time to make sure that your home gets repaired, but your family is protected. If you have any questions leading up to your estimate or installation, feel free to call us directly. You can reach us at our office at 405-213-0492 or visit us at VestaFoundationSolutions.com.